Hi, Brian.
I'm not here. I'm just the filmmaker. Man, you're so light. Dude.
Man, I can't eat.
I know.
I eat rice. It's like that critical mass group's about to set up somewhere. I think we're probably over there. We're probably going to have about 5,000 bicyclists right now.
It'll be
No,
something.
these guys are no good. They're all on drugs.
I know.
I might not get this whole one.
Let's see.
No, it's fine. I'm just bitching all the time.
He's bitching all the time.
It's an old man thing. You're supposed
Well, it
to.
was nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Bye, Brian.
Bye, Marie.
Good to see you. Good to see you, Brian.
Take it easy, Steve. Let's try not to make it as long next
I'm
time.
leaving tomorrow, but I'll be back like every 6 weeks or something. I'm going to start visiting a lot more often with my parents. So
Give us a call when you're here.
I will. I'll let you guys know beforehand. Nice to meet you. Thank you for meeting me and communicating and all that. It's awesome. Thank you.